Welcome. In this video we're gonna see how we can use shaders to give colors to our mesh and give also nice special effects. So for this video we are and also from now onwards I'll leave the save file of these videos after the save files of what we achieve after each video in the links in the description. So for this I'm gonna open up something that I've made previously. So okay, let me just open this up. Okay, this is something that I had made for this demo itself. So let me just move the sun a little bit up and give it a yellowish color, kind of yellowish, reddish yellow color, right? And let me just increase the scale of the mesh. You can see the mesh is quite nice, high quality mesh, right? And also you can see the statistics that the mesh is quite like 13,000, sorry, 130,000 triangles, and it's quite a nice quality mesh. So what to do in order to give it colors? So from how we can access shaders, right? So we can access shaders by clicking shader editor over here, or just close it, or we can just click on use custom shaders and this will open up this window. This is a kind of new window for us. This is the shader editor window, right? So here you can edit the three vertex shaders, the geometry shader and the fragment shader. Now this video, this shader editor is kind of only useful if you are like if you are well with programming, and like if you just want to use, if you just want to write the code for shading stuff, so you can use this, right? So let me just open it up right here. Now let me just dock it over here so we can have a big view. So this is the shader editor. So firstly let me just open shaders. So how does these work? So in whichever shader window we are, like for example I'm in vertex shader. Now if I hit open shader, and whatever shader I will open will be stored as the vertex shader. So let me just open a fragment shader to give this dull some kind of a color, basic color, right? So firstly I'll click open shaders, and for whenever you download the application, you'll also get this shaders folder, right? From here you can just choose the terrain color based on height.glsl and see nothing happens, right? Because we need to click apply in order for the shader to get applied, right? And here we can see we have got some colors, but this look kind of dumb, so we can just edit the shader in the ID kind of editor within the app itself. So let me just make certain changes to make it look good. So kind of apply this. You can see I'm just trying to raise this up, right? And also let's just try to make this bit flatten the base. You can see this looks kind of like islands. Just reduce the noise percentage. You can just, instead of flatten base, use absolute value. You can see kind of it gives the feeling of rivers, tiny rivers flowing, or you could use a square value, kind of weird effect, right? You could get a lot of effects with this. And let me just see, this looks quite nice, kind of, honestly. Well, this looks good, kind of. This looks good, right? For me this looks good. We just reduce the scale. Yeah, this looks kind of good, right? And got the water right here. And for example, if I want to change the color of the water, I could just go ahead in the shader and I'll just change it from here for the sea blue, right? here for the blue and here for the sea blue, right? This is the sea blue color. So I go to the sea blue, and if I just want to make it bit more lighter, if I just make it 7 out here and make it 6 out here and click apply, you can see the water is a bit lighter. I can also create a shader, I can also save a shader, but I'm not going to save it to any file, but this is it. I like the shaders are not saved with the files, with the TerraForge3D file itself. So the shaders are there, like the programs are saved in GLSL files which you can open. So you could just open the GLSL file and use it. I'm just going to save this as it is and upload it in the description so that you can follow along, right? Shader editor demo 4. I'm just going to save it. So thanks for watching, and in the next video we're gonna see some more advanced things that we can do with shaders, right? Thank you for watching.